Portfolio is a Facebook feature that helps to add another extra layer of security to your account. But there are some times that is not needed. Like, take for instance, if you are in a location that your country is not yet monetized already. Okay, so these are the set of people that should or could consider removing their pages from Facebook Business Portfolio. So if you fall under this category of persons that is not in Facebook monetized eligible country, you can consider removing your page from Business Portfolio so that you can be able to transfer your account to persons or someone that stays in Facebook monetized eligible country. Remember I said this feature is very important. So if you are in an eligible country or Facebook monetized eligible country and you have the Facebook Business Portfolio on, please, I would advise you to leave it. Because of course it wouldn't prevent you from not getting invited into the content monetization program, or it wouldn't prevent you from, having a good ride on Facebook, or it wouldn't prevent your content from not being pushed or something, okay? But like I said, if you are in an ineligible country and you want to monetize your Facebook page, I think, like I said, those are the set of persons that should consider removing their page, okay, from Business Portfolio. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can successfully remove your Facebook page from Business Portfolio. If you've been wanting or trying to remove your Facebook page from Facebook Business Portfolio, this is a video you want to stick around and watch to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process, okay, on how you can actually remove your page from Business Portfolio. And it's a tutorial you want to cool down, you want to take time and watch, okay, so that you can be able to get it. Once you replicate it, you can be able to be successful, okay? I made this particular video on my channel previously, okay, and I'm doing it again because Facebook keeps updating and upgrading their platform, okay? I felt to redo it again, and maybe if you've come across my previous video on how to remove your Facebook page from Business Portfolio and you weren't successful, I think this particular one, okay, will be an easy thing for you. Like, you can be able to watch and you can be able to replicate, okay? So stick around as I share with you my screen. Let's go. Tap on Google Chrome. So once it opens, you're going to go to the address bar and you're going to type in business.facebook.com, okay? So this is it here, okay? This is it here, Meta for Business. You tap. So once you tap, it's going to bring you to this interface. This is the Facebook Meta Business Suite, okay? You're going to select the business portfolio, okay, that the page is under. Okay, you're going to select the business portfolio that the page is under. So all you need to do is just to click on this drop down arrow. Okay, you should know the page that is under business portfolio, right? You should have the knowledge of the page. Then you should also know the business portfolio the page is under. Now, for the particular page we want to remove from Business Portfolio, this is the business portfolio that has that page. As you guys can see, Food Lovers in Nigeria, and it has one business asset, okay, which is the page. Then I tap on Food Lovers in Nigeria. So once I tap on Food Lovers in Nigeria, or once you tap on the business portfolio that has the page, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see the page under it, okay? You're going to see the page under it. As you guys can see, Food Lovers in Nigeria is on. This is the business portfolio, and this is the business asset, which is the Facebook page, okay? So the next thing you're going to do, okay, is to come to this arrow here, okay, this gear icon here. This is the settings icon. Then you tap on it. So once you tap on the gear icon, so the next thing you want to do, okay, is to go to this particular icon here, okay? So take note of this icon here, okay? Then you tap on this icon. So once you tap on that icon, then you're going to go to pages, okay? So once you go to pages, you're going to see the page under this business portfolio, okay? then you go to pages, you tap on pages. So once you tap on pages, as you guys can see here, we've seen that page. This is the page you want to remove from business portfolio, right? This is the page you want to remove under this business portfolio. So just take a close watch. As you guys can see, this is the page here. This is the page here. Okay, so for you to remove this page from this business portfolio, you're going to slide to the right. Okay, you're going to slide to the right. You're going to see remove here. You see remove. Okay, so once you see remove, you tap on remove. So once you tap on remove, you're going to see this prompt. Okay, remove page from business portfolio. So if you remove the page, it will no longer be part of the business portfolio. People who currently manage the page will still have access upon removal. There will be no change to your payout account. If you want to remove page from your payout account, please contact payout support. Now, to remove the page from business portfolio, all you need to do is to tap on this remove page from business portfolio. So you tap. So you're going to see this prompt to confirm whether it's actually you. Okay, you can choose any other option. Let me try another option. So I'm going to try another option. Okay, so let me use WhatsApp, okay, to get my verification code so that I can be able to go ahead. This is the new method. Before, it wasn't like this. Okay, so let me tap on WhatsApp so that I can get the notification. I tap on WhatsApp, then I tap on continue. So you have to be very, very fast. Okay, so I can choose any of the numbers here, then I go for this first one. You have to be very, very fast. I tap on it. Okay, so let me wait for the notification so that I can be able to. You have just 10 seconds. So I copied it. Let me paste it. I paste the code, then I go to continue. Okay, so the page has been removed. Okay, let's refresh again and we check under the portfolio so that you can see that the business portfolio, the page has been removed from business portfolio. So let's refresh again. Let's go to facebook.business.com. Let's go to facebook.business.com to confirm. Okay, so let's go to the business portfolio. Tap on this drop down arrow. Now, as you guys can see, under the Food Lovers Nigeria business portfolio, there is no longer page under it. Okay, there is no longer page under it. As you guys can see, zero business asset under it. Before it has one, which was the page, but now it has nothing under it. Okay, so this is how you can be able to remove your Facebook page from business portfolio. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day, and bye for now.